So guys, today we will talk about have something done. Yes, have something done. Take a look at these two sentences. What is difference in meaning between them? I cut my hair. I have my hair cut. I cut my hair means that I do it myself. I have cut hair. I have my hair cut means someone cuts my hair for me. In this case, it's probably a hairdresser. We use have something done to mean another person does a service for us. The grammar for this is pretty simple. Have plus object plus past participle. Let's take a look at a few more examples. We didn't want to cook, so we had a pizza delivered. I had my car washed at that new place by the station. I had my watch fixed. We can also use get instead of had and the meaning stays the same. The sentences above now become we didn't want to cook, so we got a pizza delivered. I got my car washed at that new place by the station. I got my watch fixed. Future. I had my watch fixed tells us about the past. I am going to have or get my watch fixed tells us about the future. Going to tells us about a future plan that has already been made. We use will for something that has just been decided. I have just noticed how dirty my suit is. I will get it cleaned soon. And questions. Imagine that you like your friend's new haircut. You could ask her, where did you have or get your haircut? Maybe you have just moved to a new town and you decided that it is time for a haircut. You can ask, where can I have or get my haircut? You want to know if your friend's car has been fixed yet? You can ask, did you have your car fixed? If I talk about services for a busy world, as we all live in a busy world, we don't have the time or skills to do all the things that we need to. That's why we have a service industry that will help us get what needs done. Take a look at these examples. A jeweler is a place where you can have your watch fixed. A dry cleaner is a place where you can have your suit cleaned. A florist is a place where you can have flowers delivered. A hairdresser is a place where you can have your hair cut. A dentist is a place where you can have your teeth checked. An optician is a place where you can have your eyes checked. A garage is a place where you can have your car repaired. Now we will talk about using have something done for bad things. In all the examples, we have looked at services we can pay for if we want. We can also use the same expression when someone does something bad to us. For example, Jenny had her car stolen. Here, Jenny did not want someone to steal her car, but someone did it. Have you ever had your nose broken in a fight? Nobody wants to have their nose broken when it could happen. Is it?